Here my trust wallet is a payment proof of 22 USDT. And here is another latest withdrawal from the same platform which I got this 22 USDT. This is a payment proof of 14 USDT being sent to my account completely. And in today's video is all about Chow Bank. You guys can remember my videos on Chow Bank, and if you go over to my history over here, you will see the last withdrawal which I showed you guys was 110 HKD, which is currently worth that $14 something cents. And the latest withdrawal I did the last time was this particular 70 HKD, which was worth that the second withdrawal I showed you guys. And now look at it over here. The last withdrawal is this 175 HKD. And in my last video I showed you guys that I will be making live withdrawal every week on this particular Chow Bank, but now I just want to show you guys everything. There's some things you guys need to know about this Chow Bank and what they stand for. So first of all, follow the link in the description of this video to sign up to Chow Bank, and you will be amazed to see how everything works here. So if you click on this three-dotted line icon here, you make sure that you verify your account. Don't worry, once you're done signing up, they're going to ask you to verify your account. So for Chow Bank, what I normally do on Chow Bank is this bond investment. So if you go over to bond investment, let me just explain what this bond is all about and how to make money with your bonds. So on my last video I showed you guys how to purchase bond and explain everything about the bond. So you can minimum bond for a year is you can use 10 bonds minimum to start earning 2% yearly on this particular platform, or you can choose this particular one that's giving 5% yearly, and maturity is 3 years. That means any bond that you buy is going to be giving you 0.5% for every day till 3 years. The same thing goes for this particular one, which is going to be giving you 2% every day until 3 years. A minimum withdrawal is just 50 HKD. That means once you reach 50 HKD, which is worth around $5 to $6, you can easily place withdrawal. So how do you do it? You can select where you can buy it. If you don't have enough HKD here, you can easily select any cryptocurrency, just like I did it in other videos, and then select. I normally love to use TLC20. Then it's gonna show you how much it's going to cost you. So click on buy bond, and then it's gonna give you a wallet address where you buy, use and deposit your USDT. Then once you are done depositing, automatically it's gonna open the bond for you. So you guys can see the ones that I'm having over here. As you can see, I'm having this particular one which is giving me 0.5% every day, and this particular one is giving me 0.3%, 2% every day. That is 2 bonds is what I have actually gotten here, and so far so good. This particular one have given me 175 HKD, while this one have given me the first 15.16 HKD, and that is what I will be getting every single week for if they calculate the whole thing I'm getting in the Chow Bank for the day. So every week they are going to calculate everything I earn for the day in the days and then credit it to my account. So there is this place that they call the marketplace. Let's go over to marketplace to see how it works. So marketplace is where, in case you have referrals, you're gonna come to and your referral begin to earn buy a bond, you will get something like around 1000 HK. So what you have to do is to click on this place that says buy case, and then click on this particular place that says buy case again. As you can see, just gave me 6 HKD. It's not much, but it is something. That's just free side of earning on it once you have a valid referral. So as you can see, on my balance now is now 20 HKD, which is currently worth 255 Hong Kong dollars. So that is it. That is just it. That Hong Kong dollar is 20, which is currently, if you check it in USD, is currently worth $255. So that is how it works. So on my next video is gonna be withdrawal. I just want to show you guys a little review on the things that we are doing on Chow Bank and how we are earning in it. So for the next 3 years, I will keep on earning and withdrawing on Chow Bank, and I will be making a live video for it. This is it, and see you guys on my next video on it. Bye.